Welcome, my guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good day to you all. So, I'm Banem Isaac Happy, aka Happy on the building. So, welcome back to our. This is another video that will show you how to create a presentation. So, like, you want to do a presentation for your school, like you are a businessman, or you are a student, or you are a just a social media marketing, or just things like that, or you are working on a other company that you want to do a presentation for the company, how the company works, or how the company do this and that. So this is a very nice app that would do it in a very short time. You just write a short note on about what you want to do it, so the app will even do it full for you, to even do it perfect, even more than perfect. So this app is very nice. So let's move to the app so that you see what I'm telling you. Let me know, pull your ear with fucking noise. So if you can see the app is called Gamma app. So when first thing when you need to do, open your data, enter Chrome or any other browser that you can use, like Chrome, Google, Firefox, the other websites you can use. Just type just type Gamma, Gamma, Gamma. That's the name of the app. You can see the logo of the app is look like G in a purple color. So when you type, just press it. You will just wait for some minutes. When the app open, you would just create your account. Let's say you will just sign up. If you don't have the account on this Gamma, so you sign up, you write your name, or you connect it with your email, put your name, sometimes even picture. So after that one, so you come, you see things like this. You see through option after the Gamma, down of the Gamma, you see create new AI, and after that one is new from blank and X import. So what you do is that just start create new AI. So when you enter create new AI, this option will come to you. This option will come to you, create AI. How will you like to get started? So this is it. The first one is paste in text. Let's say you have your everything in a note, in your note, in your phone note. So you have already typed what you want to present. So here the first one is just pasting. After you copy it, so you paste it for this one. So if you don't do that one, you never do it before, so you just enter the generate, click on the generate, click on the continue, just in a brief short note on what you are gonna present, or what you want the app to present it for you. This is it. Describe what you like to present. And after that one, if you don't understand English, you can choose another language. We have different types of language, like any language you understand, use it. So here you can see generate. How will you like to create today? So first one is presentation of like say for school you just do it, or for a company that you want to do the presentation for. So this is just for presentation. The other one is called website. So this presentation is based on website. So you do it like website, it will come the way you see some presentation in the website. So this is one. So this one you just do it for you. Like the other one is just document. So document, if you can know document, I know all of you are aware of document. What is document? Document is something, your documentation, you just your file, keep it, you file it, so you keep it in one side. So which one are we going to do? So now first one, we'll just take presentation. So we type it, you just generate outline. This is it. You just type. So this one first, before we move further, so before close to the language, so you can see 8 cards. So how many cards the presentation will take you to? You can use 1 to 30, but 1 to 10, that is the one that will use it for free. The other ones you will pay for money for that, because the company is also need money to feed their workers. So 1 to 10 is okay, but even three card, four card, 5 to 7. That one, after that one, you just choose your language. Which language are you gonna use? In we have different types of language, even Chinese. So me, I don't know. I don't understand. I don't savvy. I did not understand Chinese, but numerous type of language you can use. So after that one, you type, you describe in a brief, or you can do it full so that the app will just design it for you. It will look even far, even more than that perfect. Nobody is perfect, but this app, I'm surely you, is perfect. Let's move on. Just create outline. You can just wait for some minutes. This is it. Is this how the your this thing is? What is an applicate program? Benefit of how to set an applicate program, finding and recruiting. This is it. This is the options that we're going to show you. So is it on this you are going to discuss? Yes. If no, edit. If yes, type continue. So let's move on. Let's see how is it. So if you can see, even from here, before I full your ear with talks, you can see the app safe try to create you more question about what you write. So here is it. Pick before we move to the creation. So now let's choose a theme, or let's choose a design or the color of our presentation. If you can see, pick a theme. We have numerous, we have plenty of them. You can see there are many, many, many. Just choose the one you like, choose the one that will serve you, choose the one that will suit you. Let's say let's choose this one, title, body, and Aurora. So we take this one. So let's move. Follow me. Hope you're getting me. If you don't get it, you can just wait, make the video slow. After you choose that one, just type create, and look, I'm sorry for that. Generate. Just type it. It's the same thing as generating and creating. It's just the same thing. It's just the language that we use, but then them they use generate. That means to what? To create it for you. So you just wait for some minutes to see how far how that one is going. So if you can see AI, you know what this AI is. It see how sharp, see how faster, see how the app is even work. You can see. But first, when you see that this thing is delaying, it's just because your the nature of your area, of the network, the SIM card, or the network of the country. You know how the network now is. But apart from network, nothing will stop this app, or nothing will make this app slowly. It's just moving past. See, you can see. Let's move. Let's move. Oh wow, what a design with even picture. So hi. I like the app. That's why I said, let me come it with you. Let me show you how to do it. This app will gonna suit you. This app will gonna solve all your problem about your presentation. Huh? Can see? Wow, what a nice picture, guys. Let's continue. Let's move. Let's move. Let us see. That's it. That's it. That's it. Tracking applied performance. So that's how the app is going to design it for you. This is a presentation. Wow, you can see the charting peak chart. So how, let's be seeing it. Wow, what a nice picture. Wow, is this a design? Wow, what a beautiful, what a design is this? Huh. Growing applied marketing network. Oh, let's move, let's move, let's move, let's move, let's move, let's move. So this is the end of our presentation. So let's check it for ourselves. You can see before I not, even if I didn't talk anything, you yourself you see and you justify it by yourself. Apply it, program your powerful marketing strategies. This is it. Let me be going down step by step. This is a phase one. After we see, we choose how many card? 8 card. So this is a phase one. Let's move. This is the second one. If you can see it by your side, by the left hand side. So this is the third one, fourth one. So let's be seeing it. Fifth one. This is the sixth one, or let me say number six out of the eight. This is a seven out of the eight. Remember what? This is the last one. This is the last speech, or let me say the last card of a program. So this is it. This is how the app work. Wow. Follow me for next. I'll bring more apps for you that will gonna solve your own problem about this typing, reading, do all this that. So thank you all. Follow us for more videos. I'm my name is Ishak Happy, aka Happy on the building. Bye bye my guys. Let's move. After that one, I'm sorry to say so. So after all these things, so what you do next is just to copy? No, you don't need to copy that one. You just download it. If you can see on the right hand side, close to team share present. So apart from that one, you see yellow this thing HO. So before it, just three dot, click on them, come to export, press export. So after that one, is it export to PDF? I hope all of you know what is PDF is and what is export to PowerPoint. So what is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is just a presentation. If you just do it in a like a short video, you know presentation what PowerPoint is. So this PDF, it will come in a form of a writing, but this one it will come in a form of like a video. So let's choose anyone. You after you choose, you just press that sign of download. Just press download. Export. Download, export is the same thing. So that's it. You just wait for some minutes. It will just take time, but not that can't time too much. It will just like take like 1 minute or even 2 minutes. But it's depend on the network, or let me say depend on your work. How you work take, you get different or you the work is very heavy. What I mean is heavy, that's mean your work is plenty, or you gather more ideas about your work, or your work, you know, you yourself, you know that this work is this. So after that one, it will show you export is ready, download start automatically. If not, click here to download. So just you click so that we will download it. Just wait for some minutes, some seconds, not even minutes. So see how the app is working. Just wait. So this is it. So that's how the app is. So the app designing in a form of that it card. So this is how is it. We do it in a form of PDF. So after that one, you check everything. If you want to do anything you see you don't like it, you can edit it before you export it. So after that one, you just edit everything you see that one didn't match with your different. So after all this, you check, you see your everything is fine and clear. So what you do next is what? After you check, you see, it's just to download. That's all. See you for the next time. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow our page for more videos on the AI. Not even on AI, on more videos. Other things will be coming not only on AI. So bring you even graphic design. We have special on that one. So see you next for the next graphic design and other things. We even teach you how to things like that. For more videos, please subscribe the Nasowan Tech. See you next, my guys.